This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade of DOGECOIN today. Let's put my charts into perspective. Up here is a candlestick area. This is a volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is a MACD indicator. These purple lines that you see here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot R4. This is Camarilla pivot R3. This blue line that you're seeing here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the 60-minute chart. This is the daily chart. Come down to the daily and show you what I'm seeing down here. So price action is well below the 200 EMA here. There's low volume here the last couple days. Slow stochastic, looks like the slow K is above the slow D, but right in the middle of the range. And we have some buyer momentum with the MACD above the average. Over here on the 15 or on the 60 minute, so on the 60 minute, trading above this 200 EMA, which to me, the 60 minute I use as an indicator of whether or not a particular currency pair is strong or weak. So I would label this as strong today and only want to take long positions in it. We can see the volume profile really picks up here after the open when buyers step in and take the price higher here. We're in overbought conditions here and have been. So this is aggressive buying when you see currency pair with bullish price action, while the slow stochastic is in the overbought condition. Then we can see the MACD steady buyer momentum, drops off a little bit and then really picks up here. We've got the MACD trading above the average and really taking a move up here. And then this will come up to the 15 minute. See similar, everything looks similar here to the 60 here on the 15 minute. So trading above the 200 EMA, volume picks up at the open and really punches in here on this candle here after I take profits, and still going up now, still in an overbought condition. So really strong price action, really bullish price action, and very strong buyer momentum with the MACD crossed over the average. So DOGECOIN is looking very, very strong this morning. I took two entries. This initial entry here, right above R4, as we can see here at the open, or at least here earlier in the day, DOGECOIN is trading in this zone between R4 and R3, which is very tight. So when you see the cams, the Camarilla pivots very tight like this, it's usually an indication of price action of it being an outside day, meaning a breakout day. So I'd be looking for a breakout of the R4, or if it's a short, the S4 level, seeing the cams this tight together. Usually when they're wider spread, it would be an inside day, and you'd be looking to play the S3 to R3 levels. This trade idea was an R4 to an R6 trade here. So after this consolidation in the range, DOGECOIN was able to break out to the long side, and buyers were able to keep the price action above this R4 level. I took this first entry here, and then we can see, I exited this position here. I exited this position here on this pullback. So my stop was just below this candle here, which didn't hold. So I took another entry after watching this pullback candle here. And then the following candle, I took an entry here, and this was able to reach the goal up here at the R6 level, and this being R4. So the traverse was made here. And then we can take a look at my tickets. These are my tickets for today. So this is my first entry on Doge at the 413. Then there's my first stop out here at 713. This is the sell-off that's happening near the US Open. Then 7 minutes later, I take another entry, and then target here at 8:15. So about an hour later, hit target. Risk was 50 cents, but with my stop loss being very tight, I didn't actually risk 50 cents, but wound up getting a little over $1. Reduce my account size. I've been trading on tilt lately, so reduce my account size and reduce my account size to $50 and keeping each trade to 1% per trade. So this has worked out really well for keeping me off tilt and keeping me dialed into my stats and my numbers. So today, with the 3 trades that I made, wound up growing my account by 1.7%. So instead of trying to make money per se and make X amount a day, hundreds or thousands or whatever I'm doing, just trying to work on my psychology while I'm working on my actual trading, or at least I don't know if there's a difference. You can't trade without psychology, but trying to focus on the numbers and doing everything properly. We can see here on Doge, on this stop out here at 713, what my actual risk was, which was around 19 or 20 cents. So with this coming in on Doge here at 814, taking profits, we can say easily this was like a 5 to 1, if not a 6 or so to 1. So really good trade here, how it worked out. Keeping it small, but keeping things, let's say, proper. But this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.